Another type of graph that we use a fair bit is the bar chart, so that's looking like this. So the first thing that I have to point out is that there is a gap in between the different columns here. That's going to be important in a minute. Gap in between the columns, so like here, 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 whereas in a histogram that we're going to look at in the next video, they're all squished together. So that's how you tell the difference between a bar chart and a histogram. And we can use them in two different cases. So either it's instead of a pie chart, so here we've got the percentage of the English population with different blood groups. So this is a pie chart showing that information, and this is a bar chart. So I think the bar chart is probably better for showing it's easier to read the exact numbers, percentages of people in the different blood groups. But maybe here it's easier to see that basically all the population are either group A or group O in England. But in any case, we've got different qualitative categories. So the different blood groups, those aren't being measured by a number. That's a kind of either or discrete property. So that's one way one time when you can use a pie chart. Another time is instead of a line graph. So here we go with another example. So here we have the average rainfall in Sheffield in the different months. We've got a line graph, and we know it's conditional on time, so we're joining together every single point on the graph. And instead of that here, I've chosen to make a bar chart showing those same data. And one very important thing I want to say is you'll notice that here our axes are starting at 0, and that should always be the case. So the y-axis should always start at 0. Otherwise it can be quite misleading. Everyone always expects a bar chart to start at 0, so you can easily look and see the distance that each of your measurements is from 0. That's very important to remember.